Hello kids, I am Salar is here to teach you ABC. You will repeat after me and I have to collect all the letters first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye. I have to go now and I will close it.